Hello! Welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure LeadMaster to accept customer support tickets from a website. To begin, there are 3 items you need to configure: the workgroup setting, customize pages, and the logon. Let's start by taking a look at the workgroup settings by heading to Manage Workgroups. If you do not have admin access, you will need to contact your administrator or your LeadMaster representative if you want to manage workgroup settings. Open Offline, Mobile, Quotes, Cases and Projects, and ensure that access to case management is enabled. Now let's configure Customize Pages. Head to the Sales Update page. Ensure that the Case section is enabled by checking the checkbox here. Additionally, you can customize this label by clicking on it. You may, for example, want to label it Customer Support Cases. Finally, let's go to Logon Management. Open up Viewing Editing Records. Ensure that you have Show Cases section checked in the checkbox. Now we are ready to go. The next step is to create a custom form that you will use to accept the data. Go to Custom and Web Forms. When creating a custom form, you have several to choose from. You will want to select a case form type for a customer support solution. We have one already set up right here. Let's take a look. We have 2 labels here, and the first field is customer number. We have this mapped to unique ID. When using a case custom form, you must have a unique ID or one of the record numbers mapped from the field here in the database. This is because when you fill out this form, it needs to be attached to an existing customer record, and we have to have a reference for that. People who have an existing customer number can be loaded into the unique ID field, and those that do not can use the LeadMaster record number. Give your customers their number, and when they fill in their number here, this form will attach the case to the correct customer record. Let's take a look at a customer record. You can see that we have a customer number here of 123 ABC. We have a couple of contacts and no cases. Let's open up Custom Forms in a new web page and fill it out. Let's click Submit. Go back and check the record. Here is our new case. When we open it, we can see our customer support form and the information we have submitted. Because this is a custom form, there are many other fields or types of data you can collect. There are other tutorials on creating custom forms for you to review. We recommend putting the custom form in a web page, rather than having it displayed like this. Here is the exact same form, but in an iframe on our website. When we fill out the form, we can see the thank you on the web page. Taking a look at our record, we can see that we have 2 cases. When we open up the customer support form, we can see our new case. This concludes the tutorial on using LeadMaster as a customer support system. Thanks for watching.